how to export all your emails from Outlook. Now, in your browser version of Outlook, if you want to go ahead and export emails or whatever you want, you're going to have to do them individually. So you choose an email and press on this option and then just go ahead and download. So as an email or a message. But if you go ahead and choose multiple, you won't have that option. So it's much better to go ahead and get yourself the Outlook app, and there you can go ahead and sign in and use Outlook from the app itself. So now we're on our Outlook app over here, and we're gonna go ahead and choose whichever mail we want. So let's say this one over here, we wanna go ahead and put this in our device, so we can just drag this directly to whatever file we want. So now it's just gonna go ahead and be there. Now, if you want to go ahead and choose all of it at the same time, just go ahead and press on your keyboard Control and then press an A. And then as you can see, we can drag multiple at the same time. You gotta put in mind that most of these, if you have a lot of mails, there's going to be a limit to how much you can drag. So at that point, you're gonna have to manually choose those bunch. But it's definitely much better than doing one by one emails. So just go ahead and press and select all and up to the limit, of course, and then just go ahead and drag it to, of course, whichever file you want. So we're gonna put it on a file here that we've already prepared. It should be pretty much exported to your device. But that's pretty much how you do this process if you want. So as of now, this is the one of the fastest way to export your emails to your device. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.